Hey everyone, want to use lip sync in Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos with synced talking animations step by step. First, open the Pika AI website and sign in to your account. Click Create *** to start a new video project. Next, upload an image or video of the character or person you want to animate. Make sure the face is clear and visible for better results. Now choose the lip sync or talking animation feature if it is available in your Pika AI tools. Next, add your audio or provide the text you want the character to speak. Clear audio and a good quality image can help create more realistic results. Adjust the available settings, such as animation style, timing, and video quality, based on your project needs. Click Generate * and wait while Pika AI creates the lip-synced video. Once the video is ready, preview the result and check if the mouth movement matches the audio correctly. If needed, improve your source image, audio quality, or settings, and generate another version for better results. Finally, export your finished video and use it for presentations, social media, storytelling, or creative projects. And that's how you use lip sync in Pika AI. With the right image, audio, and settings, you can create realistic talking AI videos quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.